Hello. Thanks for joining me today. What a beautiful day. Normally I talk about where I am, everything that's going on. As you can see, it's beautiful. But today, just wanted to maybe do something a little different. Hopefully some of you that are watching this video have heard of the game, Where's Waldo? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly where I am in a little bit, but today we're going to play a little game similar to that. And it's called Where's Baldo? Yeah. Anyway, hey, thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Anyway, talk to you in a few. I don't know if you can hear me with all the wind noise coming up the valley or not. Maybe it's really blowing. But chill. I'm going to head back to the car. Another trail to do. Look around a little bit more, get a couple more pictures. And anyway, I'm getting kind of tired of walking. What are you going to do? You know, that's exactly what to do. You ready? Go with me. Well, that didn't work, did it? Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, what about this one? Well, at least made it back. Had to take another path to get up on the hills. A lot of snow, but we're back. Anyway, great walk. Since my transportation, you know, My Dreaming Genie, Bewitched, yeah, since none of that seemed to work. Anyway, great hike though. Anyway, now we're going to go over there, see what else we can find. So, let's go. Well, it's almost time to stop. I know this has been a little shorter video, but I just wanted to get you some quick highlights of where I am, which I suppose most of you have figured out by now. If not, you know, there have been several clues as I've walked around and looked at different things. You know, it's just a very, very nice place. This that you have here on the other side of this great big snowdrift, okay, is a huge garden. And in the spring, summer, and fall, but especially the spring, this is a beautiful garden that they have here that you can walk through and enjoy the different plants, lots of birds. I hope you've enjoyed it. If not, you can always shut it off. Anyway, Salamone Reservoir, quick video, quick stop, lots to do, great place to visit. So anyway, this was Mark with Around My Rig. Have a good day. Enjoy life. It's too short not to. Bye.